Hello friends, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi and today's story is The Four Brahmins. So in a village there used to be four Brahmins whose names were Som, Jeevan, Veer and Buddh. So these four members are skilled in each means four are skilled in means they have special powers with each other. So one can give a life to something which is dead, and other can give the flesh body means all the body parts means it will give the flesh like fur, nails, all those. One of them will give, and other will give the and the other will attach the parts which are broken out from that. So three members, these Som, Veer and Jeevan, were experienced and they know all this means they know these, but Buddha was somewhat slow in these skills, so he cannot do this. So these all members used to give a great respect to his teacher and listen the classes which were given by the Guruji very carefully. So Buddha don't know any skills, so all these three members Som, Veer and Jeevan used to treat him in a bad way. So you don't know anything, we are the greatest than you, like that they used to tease him. So one of the day Buddha went to, even they are teasing, Buddha do not give any complaint to his Guruji. So one of the day Buddha went to his Guruji and asked him that what is common sense. So Guruji said that common sense means think before we act, like we should think before we act. So he said like that, and Buddha went off from there. So one of the day these three members Som, Jeevan and Veer were thinking that our village is so small, so we may not get any earnings. So they will think that we shall go to other villages to earn some money. So all will accept. So Veer will say that shall we take Buddha or not, or shall we leave him? So Jeevan will say no problem, he somewhat he do not have proper skills, so we need to give him some protection and we need to support him. So these four members will take permission from his Guruji and they all will move. So they are going in a forest, they started their journey. So means like Guruji will say that a man who has more confidence should act before, means should think before they act. So he'll say okay, Guruji will remember it, and all will leave from there and they'll start their journey. So they'll be it became afternoon, so they need some rest. So they sat, there were four stones, they sat on each stone. So Buddha has seen some bones in front of him. So Jeevan said that it is those are the bones of lion. So we can means he said that it died due to hunger it died. So Jeevan can means he can attach the things which were removed from particular body. So he attached all the bones which were in different places. So the bones were attached, means the skeleton was formed, the skeleton of the lion was formed. Next Veer said that what you can only do, why can't I do that? So Veer can give the flesh of the body, flesh for the body. So he gave the flesh for nails and all the things, means all the parts required for the lion. So the body of the lion was ready, and Som was very skillful in, means he can give the life to something which was dead. So he gave the life to, means he was saying that what why can't I do this? So I also have some skills, I'll also use it. So Buddha will say that no, don't do that. Guruji said that don't you remember what Guruji said? So some will take it in a wrong way that what are you the Guruji for me? Will you learn? Will you learn skills to me? Means he'll become somewhat serious on Buddha, and he will misunderstand him. So much conversation went in between them, like they quarreled for a little bit of time, and Buddha said that friend, don't be serious on me. So I'll tell you one thing, and means after listening that, do that. So Buddha will say that I'll climb the tree and I'll sit there, then you give the life to the lion. So Som will say okay, go. Veer will say okay. So all these three members accepted. So Buddha climbed the tree and he sat there. So Som started to chant some slokas. So due to that, the lion was back. Means it got his it was alive. So it was very angry and it roared very harsh. So they became scared, and they were standing there. They were unable to move from there. So the lion was very hungry and ate these three members. So Buddha was very sad for this what was happened. So this is today's story, and we should learn that means before we are doing some work, means before taking some decisions or doing something, we should think first. We should think and we should take some decisions to do. So this is today's story. Thank you.